The day I decided to leave Afghanistan was very difficult. I had only my suitcase, a couple pairs of clothes, and my wife. It was very stressful. I wish I had the resources that Suburban Legal Clinic provides when I first moved to the US. If you had told me years ago that I'll be working with Suburban Legal Clinic, helping immigrants with asylum application, DACA, naturalization, and applying for lawful permanent resident, I'm not sure I would believe you. I immigrated to the US after serving as an interpreter for the US Army and US advisors for the Afghanistan government. It became very dangerous when the Afghanistan government collapsed and Kabul fell to the terrorist group. I knew that staying wasn't an option. I applied for SIV, a special immigrant visa, which is designed for Afghanistan and Iraqi citizens that work with or on behalf of the US government, and they face threats due to their service. It was a long process, but ultimately it allowed me to start a new life in the US. I joined the team here in 2023. Prior to this, I was working as an interpreter for a nonprofit organization and Asylum Office of Chicago. It was back-to-back interviews all day. I met an attorney who was working with Suburban Legal Clinic. She mentioned that we are hiring immigration practice assistants, and shortly after I applied for the job. I was excited in expanding my role and helping immigrants beyond just interpreting and translating. A typical case starts with an intake. Once we find the applicant eligible, the next step we gather the documents and we fill out the immigration form. After that, we send a package for review of our supervisor. Once the review is done, we'll submit the package to the USCIS. The language barrier is a big obstacle for immigrants. That's why legal assistance is very crucial. Coming from the same background, I can connect with them in a deeper level. This milestone of 10 years and 10,000 people with Suburban Legal Clinic is profoundly meaningful to me. The challenges immigrants face are real. I know how it feels to be in their position and do not have access to legal assistance. Knowing that you can make a difference in someone's life drives me to wake up every day in the morning and do this work with purpose.